Welcome to Cineflow AI training videos. In this tutorial we are going to show how to use writing and content tools in Cineflow AI. Go to the left menu and click on Create. Now go to bottom and click on Writing and Content Tools. Click on AI Script Writing. Here you can generate AI-powered video scripts for your videos. Just enter the prompt or idea and click on Generate and your result will be ready. You can copy or download the result. You can turn your idea into a story. Just select your video style. You can use AI Content Generator to generate AI content for your story. Just enter or paste description and your story will be generated. You can either copy or download the result. You can generate multi-language subtitles for your video by using our multi-language subtitles generator. Just upload your desired video.
Phát trực tiếp trên YouTube là cách tuyệt vời.
Select the language you want to generate subtitles in and click on Create Subtitle. And your result will be ready. You can download it. Thanks for watching the video.